Hey, what's up, my Zilliqa holder brothers? So what's going on? I hope you are all well. Today video is gonna be very special for my Zilliqa holder brother. So this is the live price prediction of Zilliqa. Let's get started this brand video. But before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe this channel. I hope you subscribe this channel. Just one click on this red button. I hope you click out. Okay, if you click out, then I inform you good news or bad news of all cryptocurrency. Oh my god, let's get started this brand video. You can see here absolutely the reason. Let's go. That's absolutely the best chance. This is the last 3 days result. You can see here absolutely, my goodness, Zilliqa some holder asked me one question. I also tell something about as question as that why Zilliqa is gone up very fastly and those days, because if you can see here in those days every cryptocurrency goes down, and this is one big reason to why in those days every cryptocurrency goes down. Let's see, I think Zilliqa is also goes down in those days, and therefore I think Zilliqa holder also asked me this question. But let's check it out the latest. I also show you the latest last 1 hour and 1 day live charts. But before first of all, you can see here the result of this time the latest price as the last 3 days as 0.2219 US dollar. Remember this price, and we in which I show you the last 1 hour result. The last 1 hour result, then see that today gone up or they gone down. Absolutely, this is important for you because we decided in this video this is selling time or buying time. So everything in this video very important. Please focus on video. Okay, don't skip this video. Okay, if you can see here absolutely the price is going up this time, but if you can see here the changes is already goes up. So let's figure out the last 1 day result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. Then absolutely this is very dependent. This is very important chart. If you can see here, this is the last 24-hour result is absolutely and positive, not bad, absolutely gone good. So I think this is absolutely, if the result is positive, then everyone understand this too. This is the buying time, absolutely buying time. If you have any plan to buy Zilliqa, so this is absolutely Zilliqa buy time. Absolutely buy it. This is good time for you. And I think at the mid of this month they can give you a good profit. They can make you a millionaire, absolutely. But if you wait for the end of this month, I hope they can give you a triple price. Absolutely, they can give you a triple price, and I hope they can cross $1 US. What you say? Can they can cross $1 US? This is my expectation. My expectation is very good for that. You can see, oh my god, absolutely, I'm here. This is last 1 hour result is absolutely very bad. Just last 1 hour result is absolutely very bad. I think today is bad day for Zilliqa holder, but not a bad day. This is just last 1 hour result. Let's check it out the last 2 hour result to what's going on last 2 hour result. Absolutely this time bad, but oh my goodness, absolutely, and 2 hour absolutely very bad result. So what I say this time, if you can see here, absolutely they're starting dumping. So this is bad news for Zilliqa holder, but don't fear. I hope and at the night they can easily cross it. They're gonna positive, absolutely the result change in the positive. What you say, please share in our comment box. So this is selling time or buying time. My opinion to this is absolutely buying time. Please share your opinion in the comment box. Thank you so much. See you next time.